What's up, traders? It's Wade yet again from MeyerFx Trading. I know it's been a while. I know I haven't shot a few weekly breakdowns for the last, I don't know, month, I guess. But I've been busy. I've been sorting out a few things, for the new year 2025. So guys, but yet I am back for this week to bring you a weekly breakdown on gold, US30, and as well, everyone's favorite as well, apparently, Bitcoin. So guys, let's see what this week actually has in store for us. I know some of you made a lot of money, some of my students as well. So shout out to you guys that made a lot of money last week and the week before. So guys, yet again, as you always know, you guys will get me shortly on the charts. I just want to ask you to please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I always say like the video and subscribe to the channel. Guys, if I don't see you next week or the week after that, have an amazing Christmas. Oh, as well this week. Have an amazing Christmas and as well a happy new year. All right, guys, I hope and I will, and I'm sure I will see you guys in the next week. So yeah, yet again, I'll see you guys shortly on the charts. See you just now. All right, what's up, guys? We are back on the charts finally. As you guys can see, sorry, I've been away for quite a while. I know it's been a minute. I know things have been hectic my side, so sorry I haven't been on lately for quite a while. But yeah, I'm back, and you guys can see we are doing my weekly breakdown on Bitcoin. Currently, I'm starting on Bitcoin on the hourly time frame. Guys, it's raining. I don't know if you guys are going to hear the thunder or whatever. So I hope you guys hear me loud and clear. And yet I'm getting hot. I don't know why. Either way, let's see it. All right, we're on Bitcoin currently on the hourly time frame. All right, so Bitcoin looks a little bit, for those who are not that experienced on Bitcoin as well, it looks quite clearer on the 1 hour time frame. That's why I'm staying on the 1 hour time frame, just so that you guys can see more of a clearer way or clearer entry or movement on Bitcoin at this current moment. Because sometimes the candlesticks, they can confuse people. So yeah, let's stay on the hourly time frame. It looks quite clear, it looks clean. So right, so you guys can see we saw this massive bullish momentum on Bitcoin for the last few weeks and so on. So currently we're seeing a break of structure. We broke this specific level of resistance and then came back down to new levels of support. So for this coming week on Bitcoin, things are going to go two ways, right? It can actually pull back up into 97500, and then from June actually reject that level and continue pushing down until 92500. Right, so there's two ways you can take this trade. You can all take it here. Once it rejects at the specific level, and you can see obviously when you move down to your 30-minute, your 15-minute time frame as well. I don't know, my network is slow, Wi-Fi, I don't know what's going on. Either way, so you guys can always break it down to the lower time frame. As I always say, guys, please trade the amount in the market you can actually afford to lose. And yeah, guys, always stick to your risk management, and yeah, just trade and keep your trading plan and your trading strategy. That's strategy. So I'm messing up again with that one. But anyway, you guys can take it on way to reject from that level and continue pushing further down. Or, right, well, not you guys, me. I'm not saying you guys need to follow any of these trades. This is more or less my breakdown for this coming week. So I'll only start selling down once I actually see a break of 9500, right? And then from there on, I'll actually sell down from there on out. It's easier for me, simple. Like I said, I do not like complicating my trades. I'd rather take one good solid trade for the week than take 5, 6, 7 trades for the week. That's just the way I trade. I'd rather stick to A+ setups, knowingly that it's going to hit TP. It's not always guaranteed TP, but you guys know what I mean. So guys, this is more or less the trade or the setup that I will be looking for this coming week. But as well, with Bitcoin, it can as well continue pushing further higher and actually break levels of resistance, right? Retest at new levels of support on the 1 hour time frame, and then continue further pushing bullish and hopefully maybe breaking this level of resistance. So that can as well happen, but I will not take further buys unless this level is actually broken. So that is my 2 cents, or more or less where the market might continue. Actually might continue bearish, or it might actually break the 97500 line, which is a resistance level, and then actually continue further pushing higher. But if you guys can see clearly, there are higher highs or lower lows and lower highs. So that's one thing to look at as well, where market can actually push further down and then continue further higher. So the bearish momentum is not ended yet for me unless it actually broke this level right over here, this level of resistance. So then I'll be like, all right, once that level is broken, you know, and it breaks through, closes above, retests at that specific level yet again, then I'll continue looking for further buy trades even higher. So that's for me this breakdown for this coming week. So let's see where it actually goes, and like all traders, we adapt to the market and take it as it comes. All right, guys, we are on gold on the hourly time frame. We actually saw nice sell trades on gold last week. All right, we saw this nice push to the low, to the downside, and then a light perfect rejection here, and then continuation. I actually took this sell, this buy trade actually, and it actually stopped me out. But it's one of those things. So for this week, I made a little bit of profit, not much, but you know, profit is profit. A blue day is better than a red day. So I guess that's it, right? All right, so for this coming week on gold, let's see our time frame. Everything still looks very, very bearish. Actually, it doesn't look bearish. It looks bad. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. But let's go to the hour time frame. It looks cleaner. So, right, as you guys can see, the market broke and then never closed above, or it did a little bit slightly, but now it's pushing, or it's at the specific level where it is right now. So if I see market actually push further up, it might actually continue pulling down, but come and say it breaks levels of 2625, rejects there, pulls back down to the specific level of support, and then new levels of support, and then continue further buying until this level of 2650. That's more or less something I'm looking for this current moment on gold, especially if I'm looking at things on a 30-minute. My 30-minute, for most of my students that are with me, you guys know that my 30-minute is very important to me. So for now, looking at the 30-minute, possible that market might actually stretch down to the specific level from here on out, and then actually continue pushing higher, right, in looking for this current setup here, which I have right here. So for this coming week, I'm not going to complicate things. I will be looking for buy trades on gold for this coming week. For now, I think that the bearish momentum, or the bullish bearish market has most likely ended. But if I look at your higher time frames, it does look a little bit sketchy, and it actually seems that it actually might continue pushing further down, so bearish. But I will be looking for buy trades until 2650. From there on out, I'll be looking and seeing where the market wants to go to. If market actually does not respect or do more or less the setup that I'm looking for, right, I will only sell once market actually breaks 2600. It's the only time I'll sell on this market, once this level is broken, retests at that level, and then I'll sell further down. Other than that, for now, I'm not looking at it. I'm looking at the market structure currently on the hourly time frame to make things look simple. It's easier. So I will buy to the previous high, which is there. If you look left, you understand. So I will be looking to buy to 2650. I will not take TP further higher unless market actually breaks 2650 and then actually tells me no, it wants to continue pushing higher and continue bullish. So for now, I will be looking for buys on gold and not sells at this current moment. So this is something more or less that I will hopefully look for this coming week and going into the new year, guys. I mean, it's December, it's a few days before Christmas, it's a few days before New Year, so hitting 2025. There's a lot of things going to happen as well on MeyerFx. There's a lot of things happening in my life as well. So there's a few things that are going to change, and I hope good things happen to you guys as well for this coming new year 2025, guys. Let it be better than last year or this current year 2024, but you guys know what I mean. But yeah, anyway, we are currently then on US30. US30 looks bearish as well. So all right, so let's look at this. We'll see most likely US30 hopefully pull until this 43280 level, and then from there on actually continue pushing down. If I just have to look at current market structure, it looks like US30 is actually going to continue pushing down. If you look at the daily, there's a resistance or support resistance level right here, which we will have to break to actually continue pushing higher. So if US30 actually has to continue pushing higher, if you look at the moving averages as well, there's strong momentum pushing to the downside. So I will be looking for sell trades for this coming week on US30. Maybe not something like that, maybe something like this. like that, and then boom, sell down. So that's something I will be looking for this coming week on US30. That's really not complicated. It's quite easy, quite simple. I have to look for any buy trades. I'll wait for this major level of resistance to break, form new levels of support, reject at new level. Oh, what's going on? New levels of support, and then continue pushing higher to higher highs. All right. So, but for this coming week, I will be looking for sales weekly to daily. This is a resistance level. So for now, unless market decides otherwise, I will be looking for sales at this current moment. As you guys all know, we are traders. We do adapt to the market and what the market wants. So yeah, for now, that's what I'll be looking for. That's the set I'll be looking for this coming week on gold, US30, and as well Bitcoin. Guys, have an amazing week. If I don't see you New Year's, I don't see you Christmas. Well, have an amazing Christmas, have an amazing New Year's, and may it be a blessed 2025. But yeah, guys, peace. I'm out. See you guys next year. Sure, guys.